Hey guys, today we are diving into a super important topic for all you budding investors out there. We're going to talk about the common legal pitfalls when investing in companies and businesses. Investing can be incredibly rewarding, but it is crucial to navigate the legal landscape carefully to avoid costly mistakes. So let's get started. First off, let's talk about due diligence. This is one of the most crucial steps in the investment process. Due diligence means thoroughly investigating a company before you invest your money in it. I'm going to talk about a few key areas you need to focus on. Firstly, the financial statements. Make sure you review the company's balance sheets, the income statement, the profit and loss, cash flow, whatever you call it. Look into any red flags such as inconsistent revenue, rising debt, rising costs, or unexplained expenses. Secondly, do your legal due diligence. Verify that the company complies with all relevant laws and regulations. This includes everything from employment laws to environmental laws. Non-compliance can lead to huge fines and even business shutdowns, which could wipe out your entire investment. Third, intellectual property. Check if the company has its intellectual property, such as patents, trademarks. Check that they are properly protected. Unprotected intellectual property can lead to legal disputes that are costly and damaging to the company's reputation. And what will that translate to? A reduction in value of your investment. Next, legal compliance. This covers a wide range of areas, so let's focus on a few critical ones. First, company and securities law. Ensure that the company that you're investing in is compliant with local or federal company or securities laws, especially if it's offering shares to the public. When you offer shares to the public, there's usually a lot of IPO regulations, private placement regulations, whatever regulations. Violations of company or securities laws can result in severe penalties and damage the company's credibility. In Singapore, check whether the company is complying with its legal obligations under the Securities and Futures Act, under the Companies Act, and check whether there have been any present or past violations of these pieces of legislation. Next, check whether the company has been complying with employment laws. Make sure that the company adheres to employment laws, including the employment of foreign manpower, workplace safety regulations, and in the Singapore context, Ministry of Manpower regulations. Employment-related lawsuits can be incredibly costly and damaging. Another important matter that should be checked as part of legal due diligence is the company's compliance with environmental laws. If the company operates in an industry that affects the environment, ensure that they follow all relevant applicable environmental laws, because non-compliance can lead to significant fines and harm the company's public image. You have oil spills, you have landslides, you have oil pollution, gas pollution, this pollution, that pollution. And if the authorities go after the company, impose sanctions, fines, whatever, you as an investor will be affected. Thanks for watching part 1 on the common legal pitfalls when investing in companies.